Good morning and welcome to our morning math. We're on morning warm-up number 101. Start off by putting your name in the box. Today we have mixed facts, subtraction, decomposing a multiplication problem, fractions, vocabulary, and a challenge problem. Let's start with mixed facts. 6 plus 7. 14 minus 7. 12 minus 7. 8 plus 7. 18 minus 7. 9 plus 7. 4 plus 7. 15 minus 7. That brings us to our subtraction problem. We have 371 minus 103. So we cannot take 3 from 1, so we have to borrow from the 7, which becomes a 6. The 1 becomes an 11. 11 minus 3, 6 minus 0, and 3 minus 1. Put your final answer in this box. Next, when we decompose 4 times 9, we can decompose it by showing 2 times 9 twice. So we have 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 9 is 18. And 18 plus 18 is 36. So our answer is 36. So this part is what we would do if we were writing on paper, but since we're doing it at home on the Google, we would type it in here. So we're just putting 36 as our answer. If you need the notes, pause the video. And let's go on down to fractions. So fractions compare 1/4 to 2/4. So when we look at 1/4, we're looking at 1 out of 4 is filled in. 1 out of 4 is filled in compared to 2 out of 4 is filled in. Well, 2/4 we could see is 2 filled in, and all the pieces are the same size in both fractions. So 1/4, and this is fourths as well. So this one's 2/4. That means that this one is greater than. So we have like this, we have the less than symbol. 1/4 is less than 2/4. So you're going to put that less than symbol in, which is right next to the M on your keyboard. True or false? Decompose means to take apart a number. That is true. True or false? The inverse of addition is multiplication. Addition and multiplication are not inverses. The inverse of addition is subtraction. False. If you need the notes, pause the video. Let's move on down. A known fact is a fact you have memorized. Yes, once you memorize it, it is known. So that is true. And then finally, Dawn brought cupcakes to share with her class. She brought 22, and each student got 1 cupcake. There were none left. How many students were in her class? So we have 22 cupcakes divided by 1 per student equals how many students? Hopefully you said 22 students. And if you did, you're correct. Now that you're finished with your morning work, turn it in and move on to the next part of our day.